Make it look money. What am I getting myself into? Like, what are you doing? You ever heard of screws? Oh, God. Okay, we're standing in water. We got the filter cabinet changed out. Built all the metal on the site, on the job site. All we're doing today is replacing a filter cabinet. We're changing it to an air bearer from a Space Guard. And then we're replacing a cover plate. I think it's a secondary cover plate is what it's called. I'll show you in just a minute. All right, what's up guys? It is 7:19 in the morning. We're almost to the shop. We're sipping our coffee. Hands are full, so I'm not gonna literally sip it this time, but we're sipping the coffee, almost to work. First things first, I gotta take this van straight to the tire shop, and they gotta repair this passenger right tire because it's just, listen, I don't even know what I'm saying this morning. I'm tired. We'll see what's going on. Tire repair, and then who knows what's what. Stay tuned. Easy day today.
Where the hell?
Oh, it's gonna be the next one. It's gotta be. They're here now. Okay, someone finally answered their phone and they showed up, so. All we're doing today is replacing a filter cabinet. We're changing it to an air bearer from a Space Guard. And then we're replacing a cover plate. I think it's a secondary cover plate is what it's called. I'll show you in just a minute. All right, here's a filter cabinet, 20 by 25 by 5, I think. Here's the massive Aero Space Guard, which is just obviously hanging on by a thread. Kevin's taking off this plate. I think it's called the secondary cover plate, but it sits right behind the inducer. This old one is cracked.
I don't see where, but it is.
Apparently it's cracked, but one of our service techs diagnosed it, so I'm gonna trust them, and we're just gonna change it out. And honestly, we're kind of in a puddle today, which it's okay. We've definitely been in a lot worse, but it dries up over where we're at. You wouldn't believe how we got down here. Little bubble wrap right there. Cellar door on the outside, right? Going down, you think, oh man, what am I getting myself into? But then you open the door and you can actually walk around with plenty of room. Was not expecting this. You guys really bent this thick metal on the top and bottom flanges. Like, what are you doing? You ever heard of screws? Oh, God. Alright, got the old filter cabinet off. It was an absolute pain. Had to damage it a little bit, but we're about to patch that up. Have to build a little, probably 2 or 3 strips. I mean 4 strips, 2 inches long, to go all the way around this, because of course it's skinnier than the Space Guard. So I'm just gonna go out to the van and do it on the job. We're 30 minutes away from the shop. Evan's gonna clean the burners just because they look dirty. Super dirty. He's already changed that cover plate. Everything's in there, new gasket, all the screws nice and tight. Yeah, man. Alright, I'm starting with the back piece, and I just want to make it known that the return duct off the bat is not hung straight or level. You can see that right here. So if my metal turns out a little wonky right here, that's why I'm in. You know, I could bend it in 1/2 inch and then connect it. So we'll see. But they screwed me right off the bat, just letting everybody know. Alright, here's that first piece. Made the back. 1/2 inch flange on the filter rack. Hemmed this part. Looks pretty good. Looks really good actually. We got the inch flanges. I think I have S-lock on the truck, but if not, then I'll just have to extend that 1 inch past and then screw it down. But I really hope that I do have some S-lock, because I'd rather put S-lock on that because it'll make it look money. All right, let's go build this next piece. I'm doing the bottom now.
Thirsty?
Yeah. No. What is that? The old air bear? Looks clean. Interesting. The trail of water. Alright, finished product. Made everything on the job. Didn't turn out perfect here, but it is what it is. Did what we had to do. Show you the back side. Wham. Looks really good. Okay, we're standing in water. We got the filter cabinet changed out. Built all the metal on the site, on the job site. Got the furnace back on. We changed out the secondary cover plate for the inducer motor. New gasket. Tested it out, and we're out of here. A little early day, long weekend.